What's up, guys? Tony here, hanging out in Japan. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, and I just wanted to share my quick little journey. I told you guys on YouTube Live when we were going live and streaming and all of that I might grab some tickets and head out to Japan to be with my family during these crazy times, and I did that. So keep watching this video. I'm going to show you how it was driving to the airport in Hawaii, going through the Hawaii airport, going through the Japan airport systems, and eating some sushi today. Finally, my first day in Japan. So I'm basically working from home like many people who have online businesses, and I'm here to support you. I'm here to help you learn about cars and flipping cars or making money online, whatever you want to do. I am here to help you grow. Now is a great time to basically double down on your mental health, your education, and start an online business. Did you know that in 2007, 2008, when all I was doing was pretty much flipping cars and painting cars to make money, is when I started to build my online business. I knew nothing. It was the crash. My daughter was just being born, and I sat and I said to myself, what am I gonna do? I need to do something different. I want to provide more for my family. And that's when I doubled down on myself, and I invested in myself, and I built my online business. And I've been literally running and taking care of my whole family, traveling the world. You know, not many people have the ability to do what I do, to be able to travel the world like this. And Allie girl just came home from daycare. Allie, here's Allie girl. Hi, Allie girl. And it's a beautiful thing. I just got to Japan last night. Excuse me if she screams a little. She just got excited. She's home right now from daycare. And that's my 6-year-old Allie. And she's very, very special. So anyway, keep watching the video. I hope you love it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. All right, here we are. We are headed to the airport today from Hawaii to Japan. Driving down right now. My mom's taking us. Beautiful day today, by the way. Check it out. So let's see how the airport looks. Let's keep going. Here's the airport. Pretty dead, if you ask me. What's up, guys? So we are here. I'm playing my role here, wearing this thing. But the flight to Japan is starting to get a little bit full. Not that bad. Let's take a look. Corona. Maya,
What?
do you have it?
No, I don't.
Okay. I've been sneezing a lot lately.
I just sneezed once in my car.
Not super full, but I would say 25% full maybe at this point. So let's see how the actual flight looks like, and then we'll show you what Japan looks like. The flight's pretty full. So we were pretty much the only foreigners in Japan. Empty.
E-N-P-T-Y.
So this is Narita Airport. Pretty empty. Usually this place is packed.
Like crazy.
3:20 p.m. empty. Airports in Japan are totally isolated. Okay guys, first day in Japan, check it out. All right, so I hope you liked the video. To learn more about cars and flipping cars for profit, painting, customizing cars, creating your own auto body shop business, or customizing whatever you want to do, even how to build an online business, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, let me know what you think. A lot more videos to come here in Japan, from Japan. And I can't wait to make more content for you. And we got new content coming out very soon as well. So keep watching, keep hustling, double down on yourself, double down on your mind. Check this out. I got books. Success. I've never read this one, but Think and Grow Rich is my favorite book. I just picked this up used in Hawaii while I was there on the beach. I started reading this. I'm pretty much halfway through right now. Success through a positive mental attitude. I know there's a lot of crazy things going on right now, a lot of conspiracy theories of what's happening. Is it fake? Is it real? Who knows? I mean, it is what it is, but we have to navigate through these hard times. We have to keep providing for our family. We need to find different ways to basically excel, to get ahead, right? I know a lot of people are losing their jobs right now. People are fearful. I mean, hey, I have multiple properties as well. If my tenants start moving out, what am I going to do, right? This is why we need to save for a rainy day. I'm one of those people who I'm fortunate to where I don't have to worry about my income if it stops coming in. I mean, I have enough saved for many, many months of rainy days in case I need extra funds. So anyway, it's Tony here. Hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next. Bye.